Hello, good morning. Can you hear me? Hello. Hi, more people coming. Hello, chat. Yes, I can hear you. Okay, thank you very much. Good work. So more people are joining. How is everyone this morning? Hope you are well. Okay, thank you. Okay. Everyone's just coming in. How's your Monday morning? You feeling strong? Excited? Why not? I hope everyone is safe and well. And yeah, again, I always say it's a shame this semester is a little bit strange. We haven't had a chance to meet each other. I hope we can meet soon. Hang on. Yeah, the plan is still to have a meeting in our classroom for the final test in a few weeks. So we will hopefully get to meet face to face, probably only one time, and it's your test day, so not the most exciting day, but we will probably meet face to face soon. Okay, so there's 11 people in here. Thanks for joining. We'll just wait. There's 12 people. I'll just wait a minute until most people join. So yeah, again, if you could just confirm that you can hear me, can you send in the chat box just a quick message again, like Pak Jongdo, just okay, I can hear you, something like that. Or you can talk. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, you can write yes. Yes, thank you. Okay, good job. Idahi. Thank you, Ajini. Good job. Okay, 13 people. People are a little bit slow this morning. Monday morning, still sleeping. Lazy students. Okay, anyway, more people will come soon, I'm sure. Okay. So I guess we should start in a minute. Does anyone have any questions or comments before we begin? I'm confident, no questions, right? No problem. So Kim, maybe you can mute, unless you want to talk, you can mute your microphone. Yeah, good job. Okay, no problem. Good. So, as I told you in the message, this week I want you all to finish the first draft of your final writing assignment. And I'm going to go through all of the information step by step for your writing. So if you follow closely and do everything well, then you can probably almost complete everything that you need. But at the end of this, before the end of this week, I want you to send your first draft. Then next week, I will give you a chance to review. I'll give some feedback form, and you can fix and prepare your final copy for the following week. But of course, do your best in your first draft this week, then next week will be easy. So, 13 people, okay, I'm surprised. There's usually a few more. But okay, so I will also send you a video of this class after, so you can review all the information. So let's go, let's take a look. So we will look at the writing requirements for your final essay submission. So I will share the screen in a minute and go through all of the components of your essay. Okay, last chance. Any questions? Can you hear me? Tell me one more time. Yes, if you can hear me, just so I know I'm not talking to myself. Yes, yes. Thank you again. But go on. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you. Idahi, Hajini. Okay, good, good. Thanks. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen. Let's go. Where are we? This one maybe. Okay, so first thing, everyone already submitted your topic. So just to confirm, you need to, well, you should use the same topic that you chose before. If you really want to change now, it's a little bit strange, but you can send me a message. I think stick with the same topic that you chose. So you can see these were the prompts: animals, environment, transport. So you should already have your topic. Then I recommend at the start, right, just a moment. Here. You, at the top of your writing assignment, you should put the title. So choose a short, simple title to explain your topic. So at the top of the writing, yeah, okay. So you can hear, okay. So put the title at the top of your writing. The title is in the correct place. The title should be in the center. It should be bold, which is dark writing. And there should be capital letters for all the main words. Small words are the, in, of, and can be not capital letters, but every main word should be a capital letter. So in the title, 3 things. Should be in the center, it should be bold, which means dark, and they should be capital letters except for small joining words. So that's your title. Okay, that's the start. Then you can begin your writing. Of course, the first section of your writing should be the introduction. So we already did this. So quick review, writing your introductory paragraph. The first or introductory paragraph of an essay has 3 parts: a hook, background information, and thesis statement. So hook, background information, thesis statement. So let's check what that means. The hook, you remember, the purpose of a hook is to get the reader interested in the topic so he or she will want to keep reading. It should be some strong, interesting sentence. It can be a statement, a definition, a question, a fact or statistic, a quotation, but there should be some strong effect. So it's probably best to start your essay with the hook sentence first. Here are some examples. In 2014, Americans spent 6.9 billion hours sitting in traffic. Imagine what we could do with all that time if we did not need to commute. So 2 sentences, that's okay. Many nations are running out of water. However, a company has invented a machine which turns water from the air into water you can drink. So some kind of strong statement, 1 or 2 sentences is okay. Okay, wait. Next, then in the introduction, you should give some basic background information. So it helps the readers understand the essay. Can include explanation, historical information, data, and statistics, general explanation of a topic. So yeah, is example, this is an electronic suit with robot arms and legs, which follows the wearer's movements. So just explain about the topic you will talk about. Then the most important part of the introductory paragraph is the thesis statement. This will usually be the last sentence in the introduction. It gives you a preview of the essay, and it contains the topic and your opinion, your point of view. Yeah, flying cars may reduce congestion on the ground, but they may create additional problems such as congestion in the air and pollution. The thesis statement informs the reader that the topic flying cars, this is talking about advantages and disadvantages. The thesis statement should identify your main argument, your opinion, and your main points, your main reasons. So that is the basic information for your introductory paragraph. Yeah. So let's go. The basic essay structure. Let's have a look overall. Just a minute. Let's go here. Hang on, let me stop sharing that. Yeah, the basic essay structure. So sorry, to explain everything. An essay is a series of connected paragraphs that discuss one main topic. Essays have 3 important parts. So yes, the introduction, we just said. The introductory paragraph presents the topic, gives background information, and shows the organization of the essay. The last sentence of the introductory paragraph gives a thesis statement which explains what the body paragraphs will be about. Then the body paragraphs explain or develop the thesis statement. Each body paragraph starts with a topic sentence that links back to the thesis statement and then provides supporting details to its topic sentence. In a balanced opinion essay, the writer must explain both sides of an argument, but your essay will be just one main opinion. So you can just argue your main point. And of course, to finish is the conclusion, restates the thesis statement and provides the writer's own thoughts on the topic. This should summarize both arguments, state the writer's opinion, and may conclude with a prediction about the future or a recommendation for action. So as you know, the essay, it's basically a 5-paragraph essay, starts with the introduction, first paragraph, then the body paragraphs, paragraphs 2, 3, and 4, then finishing with the conclusion, paragraph 5. So simple. So we looked at the introduction. Let's have a quick look at the body paragraphs. So the body paragraphs, as we said, your thesis statement in your introduction should identify your main argument and then your 3 main reasons. Each main reason should be explained in each of the body paragraphs. So in the first body paragraph, you should have a topic sentence. The topic sentence will refer back to the first reason of your thesis statement. You can just repeat and introduce your first reason. Then you should give 4 to 8 sentences explaining, giving the evidence, the support. Yeah, 4 to 8 sentences of fitting reasons, facts and examples to support your topic sentence 1. So body paragraph 1 identifies, then explains your first reason. Then, of course, body paragraph 2, you have the topic sentence to refer back to your second reason from your thesis statement. Then you give 4 to 8 sentences to give evidence to support your reason. Facts, examples, etc. Then, of course, body paragraph 3, has again a clear, simple topic sentence which refers to your third main reason from your thesis statement in your introduction. And then you explain, you give some evidence to support your argument, your third main argument. So if your thesis statement in your introduction is clear and organized, then the body paragraphs are simple. Body paragraph 1 is your first reason, 2, second, 3, third. So just follow your structure. The 3 supporting paragraphs should be approximately, basically, roughly, equal in length, and you should use your sources. This is where you need to use your research information. So use your sources to give support to your argument. Every quote or idea from your sources needs a citation, and that's what you will use. You watched the video a few weeks ago explaining, or maybe last week, explaining the citations. And now you need to follow that system to properly cite your reference information. Okay, so that's your body paragraphs. Then, of course, last one is conclusion. Let's take a look. We looked at this last time, so you should remember. The conclusion is easy. A concluding paragraph of an academic essay should end the essay without adding any new main ideas. It should be shorter than the body of the essay. Typically, this paragraph has 3 parts: a transition phrase, a restatement or repetition of the thesis statement from the introduction, and a final comment. So we did last time. So let's look at each section. Okay. So the first one is the transition phrase. Yep. So the transition phrase links between the conclusion and the previous paragraphs. Yep. For example, you should start your conclusion with some transition expression, transition phrase. For example, which we did last time: in conclusion, in short, in summary, to summarize, to sum up, to conclude. So you can begin your conclusion with one of these transition phrases. Okay, easy. Then next, then you need to just restate your main argument, your thesis statement. So change the order of your phrases or clauses, use different words for the same concepts, which means synonyms, which are the different words, and just give a summary of your main argument. Choose your strongest points to give some powerful finish to your essay. So that's the restatement. And then, just a moment, then some final comment. The last sentence, you can make some strong point giving your opinion, or you can give some prediction about the future, or some recommendation, or a call to action to inspire people to do something. We should all work together to fix this problem. You want people to feel some strong impact from your writing. So of course, choose some good, powerful final sentence to wrap up your essay so people can get some final message from you. Okay, so I think the structure is easy. So I hope you all remember and understand. So 5-paragraph essay. So of course, introduction, main body. So doing 3 main body paragraphs, then conclusion. And you should follow the correct formatting. So let's have a quick look. The formatting, every paragraph should be indented. So indented, like tab. So it goes inside 5 spaces. Your essay should be double spaced. And of course, block style. I think probably the standard for APA formatting. So you can use MLA or APA style. So MLA is for more humanities. It's like Inmun, isn't it? Humanities is like literature and history, and some human studies uses more MLA, but any science or maths or any engineering uses APA. For this writing, I don't mind. You can use MLA or APA style. You can look up if you need more information. I recommend a simple font and size. The font, the writing style. So again, just quick summary. If you're not sure, font maybe Times New Roman. So font Times New Roman, size 12. So Times New Roman, size 12 is perfect. Yep. So sorry, let's go back. So you're formatting, every paragraph indented, which is like move in 5 spaces. You can just tab, of course, one, just press tab. Should be double spaced, going up, going down, and in block style, Times New Roman. I'll write it down. Oh, it's going to take me a minute. Times New Roman. If you can read that, can be the font, which is the writing style, and 12 is maybe a good size. Okay, then also, the essay uses formal style. Don't use first, don't use I, you, first or second person. Should be third person. So formal, not personal, and don't start sentences with and, so, or but. You can use also, yeah, as a result, however. There are many options. Also, in addition, yeah, as a result. There are many different options, but these are better. In formal writing, you shouldn't start a sentence with and can be like also, so can be as a result. How about for but? What's a good alternative to but? Anyone want to type in the chat box? It's easy. What's a formal alternative to but? Anyone chatting? No one? Come on. Okay, someone. However, good job. Idahi, thank you very much. Exactly, that's perfect. Instead of but, however, is a good option. These are more formal academic words to start a sentence. Of course, within a sentence, you can use and, so, or but to join different phrases or clauses. No problem. In a sentence, it's okay. But starting a sentence, start a new, sorry, starting a new sentence. Yeah, instead of and, you can use also, so, as a result, but, however. They are much better. That's correct formal academic language. So yeah, you can also use some good transitional language. You know, transition means changing from one place or one thing to another place or thing. So when you're explaining moving from one step to the next, you can say first, second, third, therefore, in conclusion. Just use some good transitional expressions to show the structure, the order, the movement, just the general progression of your essay. That's a good idea. Okay, let me clear that for a minute. It's getting a bit crowded. Lastly, of course, we looked at citations the other week. You need to have your works cited page. You need your references at the end. So every entry needs to use all the information required. You can refer back to last week to the video to check the information. And yep, so of course use either MLA or APA style. If you are not sure, watch the video again or do some research online, Naver or Google, and find the correct format to follow. Yeah, well, let me do this one first. Fonts, of course, the font, the writing style. Of course, for the citations, the font needs to match the shape, the font, and the size with the rest of the essay. You should be consistent. Keep the same size and font as you continue your essay. Yep, that's good. And one other slightly tricky thing. Have you heard hanging indents? Little bit tricky. Let's have a quick look. When you make your reference list, let me clear that. A hanging indent, if I can go quickly. Hanging indent is this one. If you can see, I have too many tabs open. Hanging indent means in your reference list, you start here, normal line, but the second line and third, fourth, only the first line is even. You need to indent from the second line of your reference list. Yeah, so to do this, there's a few different ways I can show you. I've actually got a quick, yeah, if you're using Word, in a Word document, you can do this. Highlight the paragraph that you want to have formatted as a hanging indented paragraph, the reference. Then you can right click the highlighted paragraph, select paragraph, and in the indentation section, special box and select hanging. So you can check this if you're using Microsoft Word. I found from the, let me clear that. I found a video for you that might be useful. I'm just going to play this if you want to have a look. This is in Korean, so you can take a look. Here are some suggestions about how to organize a hanging indent for your reference list. So take a quick look. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, you can watch. I think you can see that. Okay, I hope that all was easy enough to follow. Sorry for my cacao talk popping up. So that's some recommendation about doing the hanging indents. So I think we've almost finished. Let me just stop sharing for a moment. So does anybody have any questions or comments? So this week, I want you to, well, I hope last week you did some research, found some good information to support your main argument. So this week, you should have your topic organized already. You should have some research organized. You now have all of the information to structure your essay correctly with the APA or MLA format. So I will quickly, just before we kind of wrap up, so this week, please do your first draft of the writing. Follow all of the steps and send me your writing before midnight on Sunday. So 5-paragraph essay, and after you submit that, that will not be your final submission. You will not be graded from this essay. I will give you next week to review and check your writing and fix any errors. I will give some feedback information and you can fix your writing. But if you can arrange your writing as well as possible this week, then next week will be easy. So I'll share the screen one more time because I want to show you, okay, here. So here is the checklist of all of the requirements for your writing. Next week, I will send this to you so you can double check everything you need. This week, you can take a look. If you follow this system, everything will be easy. And I was hoping we could do some breakout rooms with some chatting together in small groups, but I think it might be too complicated and confusing. So unfortunately this semester, I think I will get you just to review your own essays. So English essay, peer checking, I think it will be self-checking. So next week, I'll get you to check the title. Simple, clear title that fits the topic, title's in the correct place, centered, bold, with correct capitalization. Yes, the title is capitalized correctly. Your introductory paragraph should have a hook to grab the reader's attention that fits the topic. Your background information should connect between your hook and the main topic. Your thesis statement should have a clear topic and a clear focus. And then your thesis statement should preview and mention each supporting idea in the essay. 1, 2, 3 main supporting ideas. Then, as we said before, your body paragraphs should have a clear topic sentence which refers back to your thesis statement. So each supporting idea should link to each topic sentence. Then your body paragraph should have about 4 to 8 sentences, just giving the reasons, facts, examples to support your topic sentence, to support your argument. Then paragraph 2, same, and paragraph 3 also follows the same format. Your 3 supporting paragraphs should be about the same length. They should use reliable sources, and you should use your correct citations for any in-text citation of any quote or idea that you use. Okay, then your conclusion paragraph, of course, summarizes your main idea, summarizes your supporting ideas, ends with a strong final statement. Easy. Formatting, each paragraph is indented, the essay is double-spaced, it's in block style, Times New Roman 12. Don't use I or you. It should be third person. The argument is, don't start sentences with and, so, or but. Also, as a result, however, use some transitional language, first, second, therefore, in conclusion, and make sure your citations are correct and you have a, and you have a, come on, what's going on? Why is that not? Okay. And you should have a final Come on. Final reference list, citations page. So with all of the information you need, follow the correct format, MLA or APA. Yeah, organize your hanging indents. The second line and any more lines in your citation list should be indented, and the fonts should match the shape and size of the rest of the essay. So probably Times New Roman 12 is good. Okay, sorry, it's a lot of information, but it's kind of simple when you go step by step. So let me stop sharing again. Does that all make sense? Do you have any questions? I have recorded this class, so I will send this to you. I'll put it on YouTube, so it has the subtitles, captions. Then I will send that to you soon, in the next, either today or tomorrow. Then you can review anything if you want. But before midnight this coming Sunday, please send to my email address your first draft of your essay. Then next week we'll do some feedback and review, and you can finalize your writing next week. Okie dokie, any questions? Does it make sense? Could you understand okay? Any problems? No problems. So 13 people here. So a few people are missing. So I'll send this video to everyone. And as I said, if you do your essay well this week, then next week will be easier. So please organize your structure and format and information clearly and follow the system. Then everything will be simple and effective. All right, so nice to talk with you again. I will send you the video. Have a nice week. As always, please keep safe. Look after yourself. Be careful. Anyway, I always say, but even though the coronavirus in Korea is kind of almost under control, we still, of course, must continue to be very sensible and careful to protect ourselves, but more importantly, our grandparents, parents, of course, older people have much greater risk. So if you, especially young people, are not careful, it can be bad for older people, particularly. So be safe, be smart, look after yourselves. Good luck with your writing. Email me your first draft, first copy, and I will be in touch again soon with the video. Please, let's have a quick farewell. Can you, well, firstly, just send me a message now on the chat to show me you are still listening. You didn't go to your room to watch Netflix. So, are you still listening? Yes? Okay. Any message? Yes. Good job. Ah, good to know. Okay, thank you, thank you. And if you want, just for our final farewell, can you show me your video just for a quick wave? You don't have to if you're still in your pajamas, but if everything is organized, please show me your face, quickly wave, then we will finish the class. Anyone showing your video? Too shy? Nobody? That's okay. I know you're there. You're too shy. Okay. Thank you for being honest, Kim Gonu. That's no worries. I'm shy too, but I have to show my face. Sure. Okay. Anyway, nice to talk with you all again. I really look forward to seeing you um, in a few weeks, and we might we might even have maybe next semester I might organize some quick coffee just to chat and say hello in a more friendly situation, because it's a little bit disappointing we haven't had any chance to meet and get to know each other. Okay, have a good day. Good luck with your essays. Email me your draft before the end of the week, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye. I'll give you 10 seconds to quickly type some bye. Bye. Gotta be quick. I'm going soon. Conchayon. Bye. Anyone else? You already left? Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. Good job. Bye-bye. Is that a sad face? Oh, sad because we're leaving. Okay. Don't be sad. We'll talk again. Okay. See you later. I'm going in 3, 2, 1. See you later.